High wind warning. Issued at Tuesday 9:29 AM March 4, 2025. Issued by National Weather Service. Description. *Watt, northwest winds 30 to 45 miles per hour, with gusts up to 70 miles per hour expected. *Where, portions of east central and northeast Kansas and north central, northeast, northwest, and west central Missouri. *When, from 9 p.m. this evening to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Recommended action. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.